So breathe in, breathe out. I will let you know.
Today, the JSE welcomes a new member to the AltVest board. Symbolic of great African traditions, the beating drum celebrates this event, marking the birth of an alliance with a vision of growth and prosperity for years to come. The sound of the drum embodies this great institution that is a dependable platform for companies to use as a springboard for their future development. Today, we welcome a valued member. JSE, let's connect.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Great to have a good crowd at the JSE. I'm just going to try and put this a little bit higher. And a very warm welcome to the JSE. Great to have everybody here. And of course, this morning, we'd like to just extend a very warm welcome to you all and AltVest in particular, which is going to be listing on the AltVest board this morning. Of course, to the management, to the directors, to the sponsors, our issue regulation team, everybody that had devoted a lot of time towards this listing, congratulations. We really do feel honored to be sharing in celebration with you this morning. Now, the JSE is the largest African exchange, home to small and large companies from the African continent. Today, we are particularly pleased that AltVest has chosen the JSE to list, giving our investors an opportunity to invest in this very exciting company through the ordinary and the hybrid instruments. Of course, it's these very investors that are anticipating the listing this morning and are waiting for the market open. So in terms of the market open this morning, some exchanges around the world symbolize and commemorate their listings with the ringing of the bell. But here at the most southern tip of Africa, we celebrate the AltVest listings with the beating of the drum. So we're going to ask you to please join us in countdown just before 9 o'clock. And as the market opens, please do make the loudest possible noise that you can in celebration of the listing this morning. In terms of the formal proceedings for today, shortly I'm going to hand over to Samuel Mokorosi, who's the head of deals and origination at the JSE, to do the official introduction. Then thereafter, we will hand over to Warren, Chief Executive Officer of AltVest, to give us his keynote address. We'll give you an explanation of the trading screen so you too can see what the brokers see on their side this morning. And last but not least, we'll commemorate and celebrate the listing this morning with the beating of the drum. Now, Warren, I know you've been practicing, and we've got empirical research that has shown that the vigor and enthusiasm with which you beat that drum has got a direct positive correlation with your share price. So I hope you're ready to flex those muscles and give it a good go. And of course, for everybody in the audience, please do join us in celebration as the market opens. So without further ado, I'd like to hand over to Samuel Mokorosi.
Thank you so much, Patricia. A warm welcome to Warren Wheatley, CEO of AltVest, and the broader AltVest team. Can we give them a massive round of applause? It's been a warm and long journey to get to this point, but we're so excited that we're here. So with that, I offer my heartfelt congratulations to AltVest Capital Limited for their listing on the JSE's Alternative Exchange Board today. The listing of AltVest on the Altex board, that's a tongue twister, AltVest on Altex, you guys were made for this board, is special for several reasons. As one of South Africa's most recently established holding companies, AltVest has demonstrated remarkable drive, growth, and innovation. Your rapid ascent to listing status is a clear indication of your commitment to excellence and serves as a testament of the hard work and dedication of the team. Additionally, AltVest has dedicated itself to being a springboard for South Africa's SMEs, bridging the financial accessibility gap by providing them with the necessary resources for them to thrive in a competitive market. This business objective is not only commendable, but also aligns with the JSE's commitment to nurturing and growing SMEs, which we know are the backbone of South Africa's economy. So while the JSE AltX board serves an enabling platform for the development of SMEs, it is indeed fitting that AltVest, a company dedicated to helping SMEs itself, is being supported by AltX. This symbiotic relationship underscores the importance of collaboration and mutual support in driving economic growth. As the JSE, we're committed to providing an enabling environment that supports the listing and growth of companies like AltVest, which in turn aids in helping other SMEs to flourish. It is this virtuous cycle of support and growth that makes today's listing so special. Considering this, JSE is proud to serve as a crucial platform to unlock growth and act as a springboard to launch AltVest into your next phase of your growth and journey. To enable this function, the JSE, we uphold a top-tier market infrastructure, robust regulatory system, and an effective settlement and clearing process that elevates the transparency of our trading environment. And in continuing our dedication to providing cutting-edge offerings, we actively collaborate with our industry stakeholders to deliver customized solutions that cater to the ever-changing demands of the markets. So in closing, we reaffirm our commitment to providing a reliable and supportive environment for listed companies to thrive and progress. Our ongoing priority is to provide top quality assistance and solutions to this end. Once again, congratulations to AltVest Capital Limited for listing on the Altex board. We look forward to witnessing your continued growth and success as you support South Africa's SMEs. Together, let's build a brighter future for our country, one SME at a time. Let's give them another round of applause. Congratulations.
AltVest Capital was founded with a bold vision to open up real investment opportunities for all South Africans and to fund our SMEs. Under the leadership of CEO Warren Wheatley, AltVest is empowering everyday people to take control of their financial future. From day one, AltVest led the way as a democratized investment platform while funding SMEs and helping them on their growth path. Our journey began with a listing on South Africa's secondary stock exchange, pioneering a democratized ownership paradigm that turns economic inclusion from a dream into reality. Our first listed asset, Umganu Lodge on the Sabi River, brought African luxury within reach for all South Africans. Even our office car guards became proud shareholders. This is AltVest's commitment, making opportunity accessible to everyone. We followed up with Bambanani Restaurant, a local family institution. Here, the community was invited to become part of the business, with staff now shareholders in the growing Bambanani family group. Together, we're helping build businesses that uplift entire communities. As we evolved, so did our mission. The AltVest Credit Opportunities Fund was created to provide essential growth capital to SMEs, the lifeblood of South Africa's economy. Focused on supporting women entrepreneurs and businesses that drive job creation, ACOF is already making a difference where it matters most. Now we're taking the next step to expand our reach and bring even more opportunities to investors. AltVest is proud to be listing on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. AltVest is more than an investment platform. We've created a pathway for South Africans to shape their financial future and contribute to the nation's growth. This is empowerment. This is the future. AltVest, empowering South Africans, building tomorrow, today.
Now, Warren, I know you've worked tirelessly on this listing, and again, congratulations. And if I can please call you up to receive your keynote address.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to spend this time with us. When I first learned I needed to do a speech, we were really busy. I was preoccupied, and I thought a quick note of thanks to everyone would be a suitable and acceptable substitute for a keynote address. I quickly realized, though, that a thank you list is fraught with risk of omission in particular, and needed careful and skillful navigation, much like launching a business. So I now wish I had opted for something easy, like a discussion on the psychology of Chinese capitalism or something, something like that. Today is a monumental day for AltVest. As we celebrate our listing on the JSE, I want to take a moment to reflect on how we got here. It was through hard work, grit, determination, and dedication, and the unwavering support of so many people. It was truly a privilege to stand here, and I'm honored to share this moment with each and every one of you. All right, onto the list. Firstly, to God for the blessings and granting me the abilities to traverse and navigate this treacherous road. Secondly, the winemaker at Kanunkop. It's just a joke. To Tatum, my wife and business partner, and to my two boys, Kale and Christian, just for providing the sanctuary and the safe space of home and the very welcoming distraction occasioned by family life. I want to extend my deepest thanks to my exceptional team. Your passion and tireless efforts have made this day possible, and I'm incredibly proud of what we have built together. Some special thanks, Akshay, my CIO. Him and I spent hours over weekends answering questions that seemed relatively simple to us, but apparently not. Chriselle, our head of ops, Reggie, our legal advisor, and of course, Sheena, head of office operations. And then to our board of directors, Faye, Steph, Gigi, and all the others, your support and guidance has been consistent and unwavering. And I personally enjoyed watching you guys grow into brand ambassadors for the business. So thank you for that. Secondly, next, our shareholders. And I'm proud to welcome in excess of 2,384 new shareholders across the platform, and for supporting us in capital raising for this IPO. Your belief in our vision has been crucial to our success. To the founding shareholders and business partners, your early commitment laid the foundation for all that we've achieved. Thank you. This listing is a testament to the power of your support and belief in AltVest's mission. I also want to take a special moment to thank Easy Equities and their team for making this IPO accessible to everyday South Africans. Your platform has allowed more people to share in our success, which aligns perfectly with our commitment to empowerment. To Quesco, Alison, Danielle, and Mandy, your guidance, steady as always, and expertise have been invaluable in navigating us through this process. We couldn't have done it without you, literally and figuratively. To the team from the JSE, Patricia, Sam, Cleola, you guys welcome us into the family after the first phone call, I think. So thanks for that. And then also to the technical team, Zakira, Matobi, and Pralini and Olivia. We wouldn't be here without Estelle, the MD of CTSE Registry, who's a purveyor of quality dogs. That's a private joke. And officially our company secretary. Thank you for the hand-holding, scolding, and everything in between. At AltVest, empowerment is at the core of everything we do. Our mission is about creating opportunities that extend beyond the financial returns. By investing in SMEs and alternative assets, we're not only generating wealth, but also driving job creation and inclusive economic growth across South Africa. Two companies I want to thank specifically who live and breathe empowerment are 274, led by Fatima Vadwa. Fats, you are amazing, and thank you for all the support. And Raskira, led by Jared, who couldn't be here. Both firms are passionate about our country and supporting young upstarts like AltVest. Without you guys, we would not be here. I also want to acknowledge the talented team at GM Design Agency, led by Rael and Peter. They're the ones responsible for our colorful CI, for our corporate identity. Your creativity and attention to detail has given AltVest its beauty, its identity, and your designs have brought our brand to life in ways that we couldn't have imagined. To Karen and Toma, not only our business partners in Bambanani, but also the owners of Wide Open Platform. I think there isn't a person in the room who hasn't seen our billboards around town. They're the team that brought that to life. Your efforts help solidify AltVest's campaign and our presence in the market, and the work you guys have been doing for us is nothing but transformative. The visibility and reach we've achieved through your campaign has played a crucial role in bringing us to life. And with those billboards, there's a special story. Even the small details of today's event. The billboards, the PVC that was used to wrap them, have been taken down and repurposed by, they were donated to a company called Baroko Basedi, which is a collective of women-owned businesses. They've repurposed that PVC into the gift bags that were handed out today. So even that gesture created hundreds of jobs. And on your name tag, you'll see the name of the person who actually manufactured your specific bag. Those kinds of things are easy when empowerment and transformation is part of your DNA. Today is not just the end of one journey, but the beginning of an exciting new chapter for us. As we step forward into this new phase as a listed company on the JSE, we do so with confidence, purpose, and a clear vision for the future. AltVest is ready to continue and drive meaningful change, creating value and building a legacy of empowerment. To my team, our board, and shareholders, and all of you here today. Thank you for being part of this journey. The best is yet to come, and I look forward to achieving even greater things together. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Warren, for that keynote address. And let's give everybody a round of applause as again. Now, as you can see, there's a timer on the wallboard. The market doesn't open for anybody. So we're going to ask everybody to join us in countdown when there's about 10 seconds to go before 9 o'clock. So in that time, Warren, I don't know if you'd like to bring up your team. We can take some photos just before the market opens. I know that there's been some champagne handed around. Please don't start the celebration with us, or at least wait for the market to open. So Warren and team, would you like to come on stage in preparation for the market open? Okay, we've got about 26 seconds to go. So let's take some nice photos. And Warren, remember, just give it a good go, hey? There's a direct positive correlation with the vigor and enthusiasm with which you beat that drum. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Some last minute pics. Let's take some pictures in celebration. Again, well done, Warren. Great attempt. There's no price yet. Okay, fantastic. Now, I'm sure everybody is wondering, what is the share price doing? So to give you an explanation of the trading screen, we're going to first play a video, and then I'm going to call up my colleague James to give an explanation there.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe I'll just pause a bit to allow the team just to finish taking pictures.
You're all I need. You're all I see when I close my eyes and dream. You're all I see. You're all I need, all I need, all I need.
Morning again, ladies and gentlemen. If I can have your attention just for a moment or two. If I just can get your attention for a moment and two, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to the JSE AltVest. My name is James Rakumako. I'm part of the trading team that is responsible for managing trading operations here at the JSE. I'm just going to pause for a moment just to get everyone's attention because it's still a bit loud. If I can just get your attention, please, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let me try to give it another go. Once again, good morning. My name is James Rakumako. I'm part of the trading team that is responsible for managing trading operations here at the JSE. For those who don't know, the JSE, we run 7 markets, namely the equities market, equity derivatives market, the currency market, interest rate derivatives market, bonds market, the commodities market, which is branched into the agris market and your metals and energy market. Right now, we're just focusing on the equities market, and we're looking at the market data front end. And this GUI is sponsored by one of the market data vendors, which is Iris. At the top there where you see ALZ, that is the equity derivatives market ticker. The equity derivatives market opens at 8:30. And during the presentation, you would have seen that live trades were already happening before 9 o'clock because the equity derivatives market strictly opens at 8:30 for continuous trading. Beneath that, it's the equity market ticker where you see AGL, SBK coming through. These are live trades that are happening on the equity market. And just beneath that, it's the security that we are looking at for today, which is ALV, with the description AltVest Capital. That's how traders uniquely identify the security that they wish to trade in. And obviously the description gives you the full name of the entity. Eisen, we look at it as the ID number for the security with ZAE depicting that the primary listing of this share is in South Africa. Last will refer to the last traded price. Bid refers to the buying price, ask refers to the selling price, and then volume and open will update the moment we have the first trade that happens. Volume just speaks to the amount of shares that exchange hands during the trading session, and the opening price refers to the first trade. And high and low is also self-explanatory. It's the highest price for the day and the lowest price for the day. Towards the right at the moment, it's still blank. We're still waiting for our traders to just jump in and put in bids and offers to trade the security. Once they've put in their bids and offers, the field will start to update to let you know what prices they've submitted and how many shares they wish to buy at a certain price. And the same will happen on the ask side. It'll be the amount of shares they wish to sell at a specified price. And then the moment we have trades, we will begin updating the trade over order book just to let you know the amount of shares that exchanged hands, the price, and the actual time that this trade also had occurred. And this graph here on the right, it will start also updating the moment we start have trades on AltVest here on the JSE. And just beneath that, it's the J203 that just gives you a depiction of how the top 40 shares have performed in a basket over the last 12 months. I'm not sure if you've also noticed the video that was playing. It takes an average human 100 microseconds just to blink. The moment you blink, our trading engine, which is 2 floors beneath us, would have received over 100,000 orders, not only within South Africa, but globally as well. And at that same time, the trading engine would have also processed these orders and would have matched at least 1,000 to 3,000 trades and published it to all the recipients of these trades and also us as the viewers who are looking at the market data. Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen, and do have a good day further.
Thank you very much, James. And I can see everyone's watching the screen intensely. Warren, don't worry, the trades will come through a little bit later. My best advice to every CEO is don't watch the share price. Take care of the business and the rest will take care of itself. So the last bit of formalities is just the signing of the certificates and the handing over the trophy. So Warren, if we can get you to come this side, and then we can just do those last formalities there.
Tears I'm gonna shed, no.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and that concludes the formal proceedings for this morning. Warren and team, congratulations again. There will be a QR code which will be on the screen here. Please do scan it for some photos from today's proceedings. So with all that being said, congratulations everybody. Please stay with us and enjoy the rest of the morning and have some snacks. And congratulations to the team and everybody. Thank you very much.
Tears I'm gonna shed, no tears I'm gonna shed, no.